What if I told you that generating new leads doesn't have to be expensive? Let me show you my top 5 low-cost lead generation strategies that I wish I used earlier and that you can use in your business right now. Plus, I will show you my game-changing pro tip that will help you scale your lead generation right now. Let's dive right in. Lead generation is essential for every business. Without new leads and customers, you can close your business. But it often feels like the best practices out there are made for the businesses with big marketing budgets. As a startup with only a small budget, many strategies just don't work. But there are powerful, low-cost strategies that work just as well and that you can use in your business right now. Let me show you the first one. Have you ever wondered how to use social media to get new leads without spending a dime on ads? I have been using social media for years and generated a ton of new leads, but I never spent money on ads. The key is organic social media, and the only investment you need is your time. So you basically create engaging content that resonates with your audience and that your audience finds valuable. Your goal is not to sell directly from your post. You focus on providing valuable content, whether it's educational, inspiring, or entertaining. Your goal is to stay in your lead's mind. Here's my pro tip to be successful with this strategy. Create a content calendar where you state exactly what and when you're going to post on social media. You can use a content marketing tool, or if you want to keep it super low budget, just use Excel to document every post and its success. For example, like the shares, likes, and impressions. Such a content marketing calendar will help you stay consistent. One super powerful hack is to post behind the scenes content. So for example, you could show what your team is doing every day. And this gives it a personal touch and works super well for your social media strategy. And you would be surprised how this low cost, small efforts can snowball into consistent leads over time. One of the most powerful low-cost lead generation strategies is word-of-mouth marketing, when people refer your product to their friends or family. But you know what's kind of sad? Many businesses think that word-of-mouth is just random. They hope that people like their product and they hope that people recommend their product to their friends and family. But that's just wrong. In fact, you can design this strategy. You can engineer it. Let me show you how you can do that. You can use a referral program. Such referral programs reward customers for bringing in new leads. And the great thing is that it requires minimal investment. For example, you offer your existing customers discounts, free products, or special incentives when they refer a friend or family member to your business. One of the companies that really showed how powerful this strategy is Dropbox. Dropbox is a service where you can store your files online, and they grew their user base with a simple referral program. A customer refers Dropbox, and both the referrer and the referred person received extra storage space for free. And guess what? It worked. And you can use a similar strategy in your business as well. But keep this in mind. To make this work, you need to consider two important things. First, you need to make the incentive super valuable, like discounts or free products, no stupid badges or stickers that nobody wants. And second, you need to reward the referrer and the referred person, just like Dropbox did. If you do that, a referral program is one of the most powerful low-cost strategies to generate more leads. Hey friends, we get back to the episode in just a second, but I've got something special for you. My 3 powerful startup success worksheets, completely free. These worksheets will help you skyrocket your growth with proven frameworks. You will discover how to build an effective growth funnel, the key metrics to measure your success, and the best marketing channels to get new customers. It's everything you need to take serious action towards building the thriving, successful startup of your dreams. Go to designwithvalue.com/gift and download your free worksheets right now. It's designwithvalue.com/gift. Now let's get back to the episode. Now comes an interesting strategy, influencer marketing, but with a twist. Many people say that working with influencers is super expensive, especially when you work with bigger names. And yes, you might be right. But here's the twist. Working with micro influencers, the people with smaller but more engaged audiences. Micro influencers are far more affordable, and often they deliver better results because of their loyal community. But, and this is important, make sure that their target audience matches your target audience. Otherwise, you would just waste your time and your money. And regarding the cooperation, you could give the influencer a free product or even exchange services, whatever is valuable to them. For example, if you have a startup and sell fashion items, you could partner with a local fashion blogger or Instagrammer to showcase your product in exchange for a free item. What I love about this strategy and why I recommend you using it is that it's completely risk-free. I mean, if you make the deal right. For example, you can run an affiliate partnership where the influencer gets paid a share of the revenue only when a sale is made based on their recommendation. So you don't have to pay anything when no sale is made. I have made an extra video for this strategy because it's so powerful. You can find it here. It's creating a lead magnet and combining it with email marketing. You offer something valuable on your website that people can download for free in exchange for their email address. This could be an ebook, a worksheet, or a free demo of your service. Whatever it is, it has to be valuable for your audience. And once you have captured their email address, you can create an email series that delivers more value and slowly leads them to your main offer. For example, you send 5 emails in the first week once they downloaded your lead magnet. In the first 3 emails, you provide more value, more worksheets, more pro tips, and then you slowly transition to your main offer. You show them how your main offer can additionally help them and why they should get it. Check out my video if you want to learn how to build such a funnel step by step. But let me tell you, I have been using the strategies for years now, and I cannot recommend it enough. Everything is automated, and the email funnel naturally leads people to your main offer. Now comes my favorite low-cost lead generation strategy, content marketing. Content marketing is one of the best ways to get new leads organically, and it doesn't cost any money. But to be fair, it takes time. Content marketing means creating blog posts, videos, infographics, or any content that is valuable to your audience. Just like posting on social media, your goal is to stay in your leads' minds, and eventually they will come back to you because you provided so much value. I have been using blog articles on my website as well, and they have brought in over 100,000 recurring visitors over the last couple of years. In my opinion, content marketing is essential for every business to get new leads. Over the years, I have found one pro tip that has changed everything for me. All these strategies can take a lot of time, like posting every day on social media, or building valuable content like blog articles. The game changer is content repurposing. For example, create a blog article that organically drives traffic to your website. Then use the text from your blog article for your next YouTube video and cut some of the most important parts in shorter videos and post them on social media. That's an excellent strategy because it saves so much time, and everything you do, everything you post leads people to your offer. Remember, the key is to experiment with different strategies. And once you've found a strategy that works out for your business, you focus on it. What I would love to know is, what lead generation strategies are you using? What works for your business? And by the way, here is a video where you will learn 10 more pro tips on how to build a successful startup. Check it out. I'll see you in the next episode real soon. Bye bye.